guys, welcome back to my channel, Jelly Beans Plants. Today, I would love to share this DIY garden project that you may be interested. We have this huge piece of coconut wood that has been sitting in our yard for almost 2 years. And I discovered that it's tender in the middle, so I decided to carve out all the unnecessary wood and make this half moon design. Then I thought about planting flowers. Hmm. Yeah, the bee is enjoying. Ha, how cute. Yay. So this is what I'm working underneath. See? Ah, this is an old coconut tree. So I discovered this one, so I am thinking to plant um flowers. See? I already started working, so as you can see, there's so many cocoa chips. Coconut wood chips. Hey. Planting this portulaca Vietnam rose. See? Oh, pretty. mabati ko, matamis mo, ay sus, tingnan ka. I ran out of cuttings. I will get more. Such pretty flowers. Kay kanimong mabati ko, matamis mong paghigugma. So I'm done planting this Vietnam rose, guys. See, the flowers are really pretty. I mix white and deep, and then the peach one. So yeah, pretty. And I also want to share with you guys the, what do you call it, the bird house that I did, yeah, the other day. So yeah, love it. I also made this DIY birdhouse the other day because I'm fun watching the birds being in my garden. So the creative self of me thought of making a bird's house out from recycled materials. I used a small tin can, probably 4 inches in height and 3 inches in diameter. I also collected and used dried wood branches to create a natural look of my birdhouse. Since I don't have a glue, I ended up using a jute string to tie the wood branches. That's all for today's video. Thank you everyone for watching. God bless you all. Bye-bye.